Guys, so for this recipe you're going to need tomato passata, garlic powder, bacon medallions, chicken breast and an onion and a carrot and some pasta. Please ignore that pasta, I have no pan, so I am trying to cook it in a pan. I tried to cook it in a slow cooker but it just did not work and it came out like slush. So this is the second attempt. So what you need to do is you need to cut your onion and your carrot first, and then obviously for contamination you need to do your chicken breast last and your bacon medallions last. So I will be back when the onion and the carrot is cut and just when the onion and the carrot is cut. I'll see you in a minute, guys. So guys, I am now back, and what I've actually added to the saucepan is my carrots and onion and water. Now, as I've said in previous recipes, I do not like using fry light when I can. So this recipe is actually, I'm going to give a shout out to this woman, katyjaynesw, which is Slimming World, Slimming World. I've copied her recipe. Her video will, I will put down to the, I'll put her in the tagline if I can, or if anything it will be in the title, and I will just, if I can give a link, you just might have to just paste and copy it to her channel. So thank you very much, katyjaynesw, for this recipe. It's just a quick recipe. So this is just going round, and I've actually done the bacon and the chicken while off camera, just to speed this up quicker. But yeah guys, I have just put water in this just to, that's what she done anyway. I'm just gonna just continue to move them about and move them about. Keeps moving. Sorry you can't see my face, guys. I'm just trying to get the important bits in to this section. And she said basically just keep adding water, don't let them stick. So that's what I'm going to do. Keep adding some water. Leave that on there. Sorry if I go quiet, guys. Just doing basically the same as last time. This will then be later added down to my Slimming World section and recipe section. So if you actually look at my playlist, if you are actually interested in some other Slimming World recipes, I'll put them, instead of the newest video, I'll put my playlist, my Slimming World and recipe playlist, if you want to go and have a look at them. Very, very grateful. So now I'm going to add the bacon and the chicken. Smells really, really nice due to the onion as well. So basically what you want to do is wait for the chicken to be all white and sealed off. You don't want to get any food poisoning. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I will stop for this moment, wait till all the chicken is whitened off and sealed off, and then I will be back with the next step. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Guys, I am back. So my pasta is now all done. So now you want to add that to your mixture. That in there. You just want to go that round. And then what you want to do, because I'm only having it myself, so I might not use the whole carton, but here it goes. I'm now going to add the passata. So that is all in there. So it just covers for me. And then I'm going to add some garlic powder. And I think at this point, if your pan is not ovenable, you will need a dish like this one. We'll just add some salt and pepper to give it some flavour. Just trying to find my pepper. It seems to have gone walkabouts. Oh, no it hasn't. It's all in this massive pile. All that there. You want to stir that in. Now at this point, if you actually want to add cheese, hold on a second. More cheese. The cheese, if you just want to add cheese, you have to weigh it out for your 2 allowances, but you're going to have to sin it any other time. So I just use the Cathedral City lighter cheese or the Tesco 50% reduced fat one. Now I'll just get the oven on. I'll put mine to 150. And then what I'm going to do is turn that off. Put it here so you can see. So I'm just going to put that in there. Mash it about like that. Put that in there. And then what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to just quickly bring it over to you guys. I'm going to sprinkle over the cheese. And that is that, guys. And once cheese is melted and it's cooked, I will show you the end product. Thank you, guys. Guys, so this is the finished product. I'm just going to put some watercress with mine. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Sorry about this washing machine. I'll add the playlist to the end of the video instead of my previous video, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.